SAPC_AIG_2412 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. Which of the following are key features of Joule in SAP's Generative AI Hub? Note: there are 3 correct answers. A. Generating standalone applications. B. Providing coding assistance and content generation. C. Maintaining data privacy while offering generative AI capabilities. D. Streamlining tasks with an AI assistant that understands your specific role. E. Downloading and processing raw data. The answer is B, C, D. Joule is SAP's AI assistant integrated into the Generative AI Hub. It supports coding assistance and content creation. B. Ensures data privacy while enabling generative AI. C. And streamlines business tasks by adapting to user roles. D. It does not generate full standalone applications or directly download, process raw data. Which of the following are examples of generative AI technologies? Note: there are 2 correct answers. A. AI models that generate new content based on training data. B. Rule-based algorithms. C. Robotic process automation, RPA. D. Foundation models. The answer is A, D. Generative AI focuses on creating new content such as text, images, or code. AI models that generate content, A, and foundation models, D, are examples of generative AI. In contrast, rule-based algorithms, B, and RPA, C, rely on predefined logic and automation, not generative learning. How does SAP ensure the enterprise readiness of its AI solutions? A. By implementing rigorous product standards for AI capabilities. B. By ensuring that AI models make bias-free decisions without human input. C. By using generic AI models without business context but complying with AI ethics standards. The answer is A. SAP ensures enterprise readiness of its AI by applying rigorous product standards that cover quality, security, compliance, and integration into business processes. While AI ethics is important, bias-free decisions without human oversight, B, are unrealistic, and generic models without business context, C, would not align with SAP's enterprise-focused approach. Which of the following are grounding principles in SAP's AI ethics framework? Note: there are 3 correct answers. A. Transparency and explainability. B. Human agency and oversight. C. Avoid bias and discrimination. D. Maximize business profits. E. Store all user data for legal proceedings. The answer is A, B, C. SAP's AI ethics framework emphasizes transparency and explainability, A. Human agency and oversight, B. And avoiding bias and discrimination, C. These principles ensure responsible and trustworthy AI. Options D and E do not reflect ethical grounding. They focus on profit and unnecessary data retention, which conflict with SAP's responsible AI approach. Which of the following steps is not required when using the orchestration service in SAP's Generative AI Hub? A. Get an auth token for orchestration. B. Create an instance of an AI model. C. Create a deployment for orchestration. D. Modify the underlying AI models. The answer is D. To use the orchestration service, you must authenticate. A. Create an AI model instance. B. And set up a deployment. C. However, you do not need to directly modify the underlying AI models. D. Orchestration works with pre-trained or deployed models, preserving their integrity. What advantage does leveraging models from multiple providers through SAP's Generative AI Hub provide? A. Get more training data for new models. B. Train new models using SAP and non-SAP data. C. Enhance the accuracy and relevance of AI applications that use SAP's data assets. D. Design new product interfaces for SAP applications. The answer is C. By using multiple AI models from different providers, SAP's Generative AI Hub allows enterprises to enhance the accuracy and relevance of AI applications by combining insights and capabilities, while leveraging existing SAP data assets. Options A and B involve training new models, which is not the primary benefit of multi-provider orchestration. D is unrelated to AI model integration. Which of the following capabilities does SAP's Generative AI Hub provide to developers? Note: there are two correct answers. A. Proprietary LLMs exclusively. B. Code generation to extend SAP BTP applications. C. Tools for prompt engineering and experimentation. D. Integration of foundation models into applications. The answer is B. C. SAP's Generative AI Hub enables developers to generate code to extend SAP BTP applications. B. And provides tools for prompt engineering and experimentation. C. While it supports foundation models, it is not limited to proprietary LLMs only. A. And direct integration of foundation models. D. Is typically handled through APIs and orchestrations rather than being an immediate capability of the hub itself. Which of the following functionalities are provided by the Generative AI Hub SDK? Note: there are two correct answers. A. Interact with LLMs. B. Configure SAP BTP credentials. C. Customize SAP AI Launchpad. D. Create chat responses and embeddings. The answer is A. D. The Generative AI Hub SDK allows developers to interact with LLMs. A. And create chat responses and embeddings. D. Enabling AI-powered applications. Configuring SAP BTP credentials. B. And customizing the AI Launchpad. C. Are outside the SDK's direct functionalities. Which of the following are SAP's recommendations for evaluating pricing and rate information of model usage within the Generative AI Hub? Note: there are two correct answers. A. Adopt best practice pricing strategies, such as outcome-based pricing. B. Weigh the cost of using advanced models against the expected return on investment. C. Avoid subscription-based pricing models. D. Use pricing models that have fixed rates irrespective of usage patterns. The answer is A. B. SAP recommends adopting best practice pricing strategies like outcome-based pricing, A, and assessing the cost of advanced model usage against expected ROI, B. Fixed-rate pricing, D, and avoiding subscription models, C, are not recommended, as flexibility and cost-effectiveness depend on usage and business outcomes. What functionalities does the prompt management feature of the SAP AI Launchpad provide? A. Create and edit prompts. B. Provide personalized user interactions. C. Interact with models through a conversational interface. D. Access and manage saved prompts and their versions. The answer is AD. The prompt management feature in SAP AI Launchpad enables users to create and edit prompts, A, and access, manage saved prompts with version control, D. While personalized interactions, B, and conversational model interaction, C, are AI capabilities, they are not specifically part of the prompt management feature.